Today I'll be showing you guys how to create this flash zoom effect inside After Effects. Super clean, super easy to do, guys. This is going to be a quick tutorial. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Hit that like button. If you guys support me, if you support my channel, all it does is motivate me to continue to drop tutorials, and it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to other content creators as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. We got the clip we'll be working with. The first thing we want to do is we want to control D where we want the effect to take place. So I'm going to go like right here when he puts his hands up. We're going to control D to duplicate it. Then we're going to cut it right there. So control shift D. Move that. Then we're going to go 10 frames over and cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Control shift D, cut it right there. Let's go ahead and zoom this in a little bit more so we know what we're doing. Now we're going to slow this clip down a little bit. So we're going to right click, go to time stretch. Let's bring that to 170. It's okay. If you guys don't see this right here, make sure you hit toggle switches and modes. We're gonna click on this twice, the frame blending, so it slows down smoothly. Now when we play it back, we have something like this with the slow-mo. Now we're gonna go to the beginning of that duplicate. We're gonna press T for opacity. We're gonna keyframe the beginning, 0. Then we're gonna go about 2 to 3 frames in. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna bring that up to 100 again. Let's also press S to bring up the scale. Let's scale that up to about 230. Now if we play it back, we have something like this. Now next step we're gonna do is we're gonna add an adjustment layer. So we're gonna right click, go up to new, adjustment layer. We could go ahead and chop it up right there at the same spot as our duplicate. Let's go ahead and cut this. Now we're gonna go to our effects and presets. We're gonna search up exposure, throw it on top of the adjustment layer. We're gonna keyframe the exposure at the beginning at 0. We're gonna press U on our keyboard so we can see our keyframes. Let's go to the same spot as the other keyframe is at. Let's bring the exposure up to 3. Then we're gonna go about 3 frames in. 1, 2, 3. Bring that exposure back down to 0. Play it back, we have something like this. We're already starting to get the effect. Spice it up even more. We're gonna search up Gaussian blur, throw it on top. Same thing, we're gonna keyframe the blurriness at 0 at the beginning. We're gonna go to the same spot as the flash. Let's bring that blurriness up to like 120, something like that. Then we're gonna go a little bit past the flash, bring that to 0. Now if we play it back, we have something like this. Now for us to make it subtle from this movement back into this one right here, we're gonna stretch this duplicate out a little bit. We're gonna press T again for opacity. We're gonna keyframe that at 100. We're gonna go towards the end and bring it back down to 0. We did that so it fades back in, just like so. Let's go ahead and bring this out a little bit more. Let's bring those keyframes to the end. Now if we play it back, we have something like this. Now what we want to do is we want to control D on that adjustment layer. Press U on our keyboard so we can see where the keyframes are at. Let's bring this towards the end too. Now if we play it back, we have something like this. Super fire. Now to sauce it up even more, guys, I'm going to select all of my clips. I'm going to go ahead and pre-compose them right before the effect takes place. So about right here, we're gonna control shift D. We're gonna go to where the effect ends as well. So right here, control shift D. I'm gonna add some shake to the transition to sell it more. We're gonna be using Shake Sauce 2 for this part. Shake Sauce 2 is one of the best After Effects plugins to add shake inside of your clips. This plugin allows you to add a lot more energy and a lot more intensity to all of your clips. If you guys wanna try Shake Sauce 2 for free, I'm gonna link down in the description down below. A link for a 7-day free trial for Shake Sauce 2. If you guys don't like it, you could cancel it anytime. It's 100% risk free. So if you wanna try out Shake Sauce 2, I highly recommend downloading Shake Sauce 2, guys. Like I said before, it's one of the best plugins ever. Like I said before, link down in the description down below. You can try it out for 7 days free. Go give it a try. So we're gonna go to keyframed, and all of these right here are the transitions that we have inside of Shake Sauce 2. If you hover over them, you guys can see a little preview of each transition. My favorite part about Shake Sauce 2, guys, is that it's one press of a button, you automatically have your shake. So let me show you guys something real quick. You're gonna put your playhead where you want the transition to take place, which is right here. I'm gonna press on Twitch. Now I'm gonna press a check mark. Boom, just like that, add a transition for us. Now if we play it back, we have that fire transition. Oh my gosh, look how much energy it adds to it. Very clean. Click of a button already adds it. Now we're gonna add it right here where our effect ends as well. So let's go with quick. So we press on quick, press on check mark. 2 seconds already adds. Now if we play it back, we have something like this. Very fire. Now let's play it back and see the effect as a whole. Super clean, guys. Oh my gosh. That's in this tutorial, guys. I hope you learned something new. Like I said before, Shake Sauce 2, I'm gonna link it down in the description down below if you want to try it out. 7-day free trial, 100% risk free. With that being said, if you guys new to the channel, hit subscribe button down below. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Hit the notification bell, you don't want to miss out. Hit that like button if you support me, if you support the channel, and you want YouTube to push out my videos to other content creators as well. Please, guys, hit the like button. It's free. You're not paying me a single dime. Also, comment down below what you want to see next. And with that being said, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.